Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Friday Tech Roundup, where we give you the inside scoop on all the latest and greatest tech news. So, without further ado, let's go. So first up, new Relic has launched its new infrastructure monitoring experience. Designed to help DevOps, SRE and IT Ops teams monitor their infrastructure and quickly resolve issues across public, private and hybrid cloud environments, this new solution is now available to new Relic users. Number 2, Vodafone UK is to deploy Oracle Tech to support 5G standalone network core. With this, Vodafone believes it'll be able to get its 5G offerings to customers quicker, ranging from holographic calls to 5G gaming streaming with no lag time, and film downloads up to 4 times faster than 4G networks. Number 3, last year, more than 20% of venture dollars went to fintech startups globally, and a huge 1/3 of all unicorns created in 2021 were fintech companies. Now you can discover exactly what fintech investors are looking for and how to pitch in 2022 with TechCrunch's latest article. Number 4, a research team led by the Lund University in Sweden has shown how carbon dioxide can be converted into fuel using solar power. Using advanced materials and ultra-fast laser spectroscopy, this could be an important piece in the puzzle in reducing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. And finally, number 5, National Grid ESO and Octopus Energy have launched a winter flexibility trial to find out if moving home energy demand out of peak times can support balancing the power grid and also reduce costs. The trial will explore forecasting and repeatability of customer behaviour to build on previous findings of an earlier study. Just before you head off, ECS is hosting a Data Science Immersion Day in partnership with AWS on the 15th and 16th of March. Make sure to join to learn about the core concepts of data science and machine learning, important techniques and how to implement, build and deploy your models using Amazon SageMaker. So thank you for joining me on this week's episode of the Friday Tech Roundup. I'll see you next week with even more tech news.